As y'all can see, we got all the supplies ready to go for a nice jambalaya. And we're gonna be cooking a big pot, big 10-gallon pot, feed about 120 people. So come with me. We're gonna start with our sausage. Hear that sound? Keep it in the pot, man. Keep it in the pot. Alright, we're gonna let that sit a little bit. Stirring it every few minutes. Get it nice and brown. And we'll show you what it's supposed to look like after it's done. It's starting to come along. You got a few little brown pieces right there. This sausage has a higher fat content, so it's not going to it's putting out a lot of grease, which is good. Get you some drippies. Meat prep tubs. Now goes in the pork. This one good? No, that's right.
Let's go, yeah.
Yeah, that pork's looking pretty good right now. You just want to brown your pork like that. This one, I happen to season with Rusty's seasoning for every stuff. My good buddy from the Lafayette area. Some good stuff. You see it in a store in Louisiana. Get it. He's got it at Nooney's. He's got it at Market Basket. Trying to get into Rouse's, so it's some pretty good stuff. That's really good. Smile, Trippy. He's like, I'll smile when you drop some of that yummy, delicious goodness down here on the ground. Yeah. That's what you look like. Now time for the onions. That I say the Trinity mix.
Yeah.
Pour little rusties in there. The gob. I know you said it's some garlic.
Got it. Salt.
Got a crap ton of garlic in there, buddy.
Can't have that no garlic. It's healthy. Keeps you healthy.
When we put the pork out, we don't scrape the bottom. And that's where all your flavors at, and that's what's gonna help make the onions fine. We're just gonna brown these low and slow until they turn big olive brown. That's when you get the color from the jambalaya. Still ways to go on the onions, but they're looking good. Look at that. Look at that. If only you could smell that. Oh, smell-o-vision right now would be really great. But man, these onions is looking good, looking good. We'll keep browning these onions a little bit longer, and once they're done and to the right color, then we'll start putting in all our seasonings and our water and start boiling our meat a little bit longer. Get the onions the way they need to be. Yeah, that's some good stuff. They're nice and brown. Now that we got the onions, now it's time for the seasonings. Got a little blend of mine, a little garlic powder, some onion powder, some pepper, some salt. We'll throw in 1 cup, heaping cup of the chicken base. Throw in some more of that Rusty's. And then start putting in our water. Now we pour it down. Slowly.
Oh, I thought you were gonna spoon it out.
Watch out, Chippy.
Watch out. It's splashing on me.
Should get all that nice, yummy stuff. Yeah. Sausage. Hang up the fire. There we go. Just let that come to a boil. And then we throw our rice. Smile. What you smelling? What you smelling? Huh? What you smelling? What you smelling? What you smelling? What you smelling? It's just bubbling. Throwing in that rice. Then it's with jambalaya time. Gotta stir this. Gotta stir this while it's going. And then once the liquid level is right above the rice and the rice has soaked up a lot of that juice, we're gonna put the lid on, lower the fire and let it sit for about 25 minutes. And then we got jambalaya. You could only smell this right now. Yeah, this is the part where we just stir and stir and stir and stir so it does not stick on the bottom. And this is what I call, you wear shoes, not flip-flops. If you do flip-flops while you cooking jambalaya in a big pot like this, with all this liquid just bubbling as you stirring this rice, you a brave person. I can tell you that right now, because you're gonna get some of that hot juice. Just fall right on that foot of yours. They gonna make you do the Cajun two-step. We're gonna cook this. Let it keep boiling like this until the rice level is even with the liquid. That rice is gonna soak up all that lovely flavor and juice in the jambalaya. And I'll show you once it's at the level. Then we're gonna take the lid, put it back on, and we're gonna lower the fire to almost off. Let it sit. Once it sits for that time period, then you roll your rice, go straight to the bottom. Time to put the lid on. This is what it looks like. So there you just come. Roll. Look at that. Just come up that way. Roll like Nathan Neal. What else? That's how it looks.